Put your phone away and give someone your full attention.
Greet people in the hallways.
Be selfless. Put other people's interests and themselves above your own.
Hold the door open for people.
Sit by someone who's eating alone. When you experience something good,
Share it with people.
a book, social media post,
YouTube video, article, etc.
Be happy for other people.
Thank the cafeteria staff for making food.
Hey, Kendall! Kendall, look!
Volunteer to tutor or read to elementary school students.
Smile at everyone that you see in the hallway,
In the store.
Or on the sidewalk.
Call and talk to someone that you haven't talked to in a while.
Don't gossip. Give somebody a tissue when they're crying.
say I love you to the people you love.
Write a thank you note to somebody.
Cheer your classmates on.
Give someone a hug.
Share your things.
Offer to clean the whiteboard.
Stop talking and listen.
Happily participate when you don't really want to.
Honest.
Be patient. When you disagree with someone, stop and actually listen to their point of view.
Surprising your friends with their favorite snacks.
Talk to someone you don't usually talk to and try to get to know them.
High five or elbow bump people you pass in the hallway.
Tell someone why they're special.
Bring your bus driver a little treat.
Compliment someone.
Hey Larva, you look really nice today.
Thanks, Mia.
Give someone a thoughtful gift. Leave a have a good day note in a library book.
Leave a nice note on someone's desk.
Help a teacher pass out or collect papers.
Put a sticky note with a positive message in the hallway, above the drinking fountain, or in the bathroom mirror. Or if you're online, send a message to a student with a positive message.
Write a thoughtful letter or card and mail it to someone.
Be generous.
Sit at the front of the bus and ask your bus driver about their life.
Find the goodness in people you don't always get along with.
Don't leave people hanging. Follow through when you make a commitment.
Tell your teacher thank you at the end of class.
Tell people to have a great day.
Talk to someone that you've never talked to at school before.
Say thank you.
Ask someone how their day is going and gently listen to their response. Forgive somebody if they hurt your feelings. Ask new people to join your group.
Apologize if you mess up.
Help someone when they're confused.
Listen when someone needs to talk.
Make eye contact when you talk to people.
Give positive feedback and leave a nice comment.
Give people the benefit without a doubt.
Say please or thank you when you ask for things.
Clean the dishes after dinner without being asked.
Post a positive quote or note on social media.
Tell the principal how great your teachers are.
Give away things you don't need anymore.
Let someone go ahead of you in line.
Don't judge people. Randomly text a nice message to your family and friends.
Ask your teacher about their life and what they enjoy doing when they're not teaching.